Rebuilding Trust, a guide to understanding and restoring confidence. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important topic in relationships and communication: rebuilding trust. Trust is the foundation of all healthy relationships, and understanding how to rebuild it is crucial. Whether you're a language learner or a native speaker, this concept is vital in both personal and professional settings. So, let's dive in and learn about the nuances of this significant phrase. Before we delve into rebuilding trust, let's first understand what trust means. Trust is the belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. It's about feeling secure and confident in another person's actions and intentions. In relationships, trust is often built over time through consistent, positive interactions and experiences. Now, let's focus on rebuilding trust. This phrase is used when trust has been broken or damaged, and there is a need to restore it. It involves a process where the person who breached the trust makes efforts to prove their reliability and honesty again. Rebuilding trust is not easy. It requires patience, effort, and sincerity. It's about regaining lost confidence and repairing a relationship that has been strained or broken. Understanding why trust breaks is key to rebuilding it. Trust can be broken due to reasons like miscommunication, dishonesty, betrayal, or inconsistency in actions. Recognizing these factors helps in addressing the root cause of the trust issues and taking appropriate steps to mend them. Rebuilding trust involves several steps. 1. Acknowledging the breach of trust. The person who broke the trust must accept their mistake. 2. Apologizing sincerely. A genuine apology shows remorse and the desire to make amends. 3. Transparent communication. Openly discussing feelings and concerns can rebuild understanding and empathy. 4. Consistent actions. Actions speak louder than words. Consistent and reliable behavior gradually restores trust. 5. Patience and time. Trust rebuilds over time and cannot be rushed. Trust can be rebuilt in various contexts like personal relationships, workplaces, and communities. Each context might require a slightly different approach, but the core principles remain the same: honesty, communication, and consistent actions. Rebuilding trust is a journey that requires effort, understanding, and patience. It's about creating a new foundation of trust by learning from past mistakes and committing to positive change. Remember, rebuilding trust is possible with the right approach and mindset. We hope this video has been insightful and helpful in understanding this complex yet crucial aspect of human relationships. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.